Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the new chapter, which is The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck from the book Vistage. Students, for the better explanation, I have divided this chapter into 4 parts. First one is introduction part, second one is main characters of the story, third one is main points of the story, and fourth one is summary. So students, I am starting from the introduction parts. This story, The Enemy, is written by Pearl S. Buck, an American writer and novelist. She got Nobel Prize in Literature in 1938. She has described in this chapter that how a doctor who was living in Japan saved the life of a prisoner. That was not his ultimate duty because it was against his country's rule, but as a sincere doctor, as a duty of doctor, he thought about that and how he saved the life of a person who was the enemy of that doctor, and he proved that relation of humanity is above to all. So this is the introduction of this story which I just narrated before all of you. Second point is main characters of the story, which I am going to narrate before you. First one is Dr. Sadao, who is a great doctor and surgeon who did well in his life for saving the life of the patient. Second one is Hana, who is the wife of Dr. Sadao. She helped, cooperated Dr. Sadao many times. Third one is Tom, who is an American prisoner of war and saved by Dr. Sadao. Fourth one is General Takima, who is very valiant person who fought a Victorian battle in Manchuria. He is very famous for that. And last character is Yumi. She is the maid servant in the house of Dr. Sadao. So students, these were the characters which I just narrated before you. Now main points of the story which I am going to explain before you. First point is Sadao's childhood life. Student, when Sadao was a child, then his father had a dream that his son should be a great scientist or a great surgeon. In this hope, he sent his son to America for the study of medical and surgery. Second point is dream of Sadao's father. Sadao's father's dream was that he wanted to see his son as a great scientist of the world. Third point is role as a successful doctor. Dr. Sadao presented himself as a successful doctor after operating the enemy as well as General Takima. Next one is Sadao as a devoted and a dutiful man. We can't criticize, we can't blame about the duty of Dr. Sadao, who did well for the welfare of humanity. Next and last point is relation of humanity is greater than all. Dr. Sadao proved that no relation is greater than, better than the relation of humanity. He proved that relation of humanity is greater to all. So this was the main point of the story. Now I am describing about the summary of the story. So students, the story starts with that point that Sadao was living with his father on the bank of ocean where he used to play with his father. He was very happy at all. Sadao's father had a dream that he wanted to see his son as a successful scientist or a surgeon. In this hope, he sent his son to USA, United States of America, for the study of medical science and surgery. He went there in the age of 22. He spent there 8 years, and after that, when he completed the study of medical science and surgery, he went back to his own country, Japan. When he was getting education in USA, America, then he fell in love with a girl whose name is Hana. And when he came to know that Hana was a Japanese girl, then he married her. And when he came to Japan, then his father accepted their proposal and again means you can say that organized the marriage, and marriage was taking place before his father. Time passed away and Sadau's father expired. Now Sadau became a successful doctor in his own country. Sadau was not sent outside during the time of Second World War for the treatment of the injured person. He was kept in his own country. He was very happy at all. He was leading a successful, happy life. One day, when he was returning home, then his wife saw that something was floating on the water surface of the ocean. She called her husband. Both went to see that what was floating during the time of evening. They saw that one man was badly injured and floating on the surface of water. They saw that man was an American prisoner of war. And as soon as they saw the white man, American man, means they were confused that what they should do. They should save the life of that person or they should hand over to the army. Sadau was in dilemma. Sadau was in confusion that what he should do. He should save the life of a patient or he should hand over to that man to the police. Thereafter, at last, he decided to operate the patient to save the patient. Both lifted that man and kept the man inside the room of his father. Means Sadau kept that man inside his father's room and operated well that man with the support of Hana. The man who was operated by Dr. Sadau, he was feeling comfortable, he was feeling well, he was out of danger. Bullet was shot to him. He thought that Dr. Sadau saved my life. He thanked to Dr. Sadau, but this matter was spread in the particular region. General Takima, who was responsible for whole the army, entire army, he came to know all the matters. Before that, Sadau wrote all the explanation and forwarded to General Takima. General Takima told that he will send 2 shooters to kill that man, whose name was Tom, who was saved by Dr. Sadau. Dr. Sadau was agreed to the statement of General Takima. He waited 2 nights to the shooter of General Takima, but any shooter didn't come there, and Dr. Sadau decided to save the life of the man completely. In this hope, he directed the man, he arranged a boat and food material for that prisoner and suggested him that he should move to his own country. He arranged a Korean boat, and by this way the prisoner of war, who was now out of danger, completely healthy, went to his own country, USA, America, and Dr. Sadau saved the life of a person who was enemy, but he proved that relation of humanity is greater than all, and he did very nice work, that what he should do. So students, in this chapter, in this story, you came to know that how a doctor whose name was Dr. Sadau saved the life of a person who was enemy of that doctor, but he saved his life to understand that as a doctor his duty is to only save the patient, and proved that really he was a great soul, never noble soul, and presented himself as a very nice person in the eye of others people. So thank you very much, students.